Okay, we're here at Oakdale Middle School for the opening game of the tournament, Manny Ball tournament. It'll be the Lakers against the North Medford Tornado. And the Lakers take the floor. Waiting on the Tornado. And here they come.
Yeah, they had a great.
The Lakers get the ball first.
There we go. Nice.
And they score first.
Go defense. Go D. There we go.
There's a steal. Fast
That
break.
kid's good. Oh.
Foul on the shot.
No. Bummer. Nice job, Colton.
Lakers with the rebound.
Nice job, buddy. Go, boys. There it is. There it is, Mars. Nice. Gotta make those. Idea. There you go, Green. Shot. Oh. And
Lakers turn it over.
get it right.
And the Tornado score on the turnover.
Yeah. Go, Lakers. There.
Another turnover.
Nice.
Lakers save it.
Good. Good job, Raymond.
And score.
Let's go, Green.
Scores 4-2. Lakers.
Come on, Cole, put some pep in your step.
Go defense. Let's go D. Let's go D.
It's a turnover. Oh,
Nice hustle, 30.
almost a steal.
Let's go. Let's go. All right. Oh, get open. Nice pass. Nice. Woohoo!
Good ball movement. Good bucket. That should be 6-2, but they made the score 4-4. So I guess they will correct that or not.
Cole, get it.
Don't give him 3 points.
Get under the hoop, Cole, get under the hoop.
Hey Luke, what do you do after you set a screen? What do you do after a screen?
Okay, they're still fiddling with the scoreboard. There we go, 6-2. Tornado turned the ball over on the travel.
Come on, North, you got this. Pin your head up.
And the score is 6-2.
Nice. Good idea. Nice job, Lauren.
The Lakers with a good bucket. Scores 8-2. Lakers.
Go, Green.
Cole, move around.
You got green.
Got a foul on the Lakers. We're in the first quarter.
Come on, Storm. Let's see some hustle.
Scores 8-2. Lakers. And there's a turnover. Lakers on the fast break. And we've got a foul. And we've got subs. There's a turnover on the inbounds.
Go defense! Over and back. Okay.
I think the ref heard you. Nobody stop ball. Scores 10-2.
Go D. Nice job, Green.
Good D. Lakers on the fast break.
Nice job.
Good rebound, good putback.
Way to go, Colton.
Scores 12-2. Lakers. Lakers with the rebound. Pass ahead. Good bucket.
Way to go, Brandon. Nice job, Colton.
Scores 14-2. Lakers.
Watch that screen. Deny. Watch that screen. Outside, big. Come on, where you at? Outside, slide.
Yeah. No kick ball.
Off his own foot. Foul on the shot. Tornado will shoot 2. Lakers sub out. And we've got subs.
What?
Lakers with the rebound. And the shot, and it's good. Score 16-2. Lakers. fast break. Lakers.
You gotta hit that.
2 misses. Tornado comes down with the ball. And they're on the fast break. Has a 3 if it goes. It does not.
Okay, bro. What?
Wide open.
I mean, what are they doing? They were like, that's gotta be a foul. There we go.
There we go. That's a good bucket. 18-2. Lakers. There's a turnover. Fast break. Layup no good. Putback no good. Another putback. That's good. 20-2. Lakers. Tornado loses out of bounds. Laker ball. And we've got subs. As soon as they come in, the subs make a difference. Scores 22-2.
Come on, North.
There's another steal. Fast break Lakers. Layup no good. We've got subs. And there's a turnover. Fast break Lakers. Foul on the shot.
Gotta make this one.
There you go.
Tornado with
Go
the
all the
rebound
way.
on the fast break. We have no ball boys to wipe the floor. So we'll live with it.
Cole, get open.
Another steal. Pass ahead. Layup. No good. Rebound. Lakers. Got a jump ball. Possession. Tornado.
Let's see some hustle out there, Storm.
Score is 22-4. Lakers up. Got a foul.
5 or 10 minutes. Nice, you got it, Royce.
Oh, double dribble. Lakers sub in.
Go Lakers!
Yeah, his energy looks pretty low right now.
What?
His energy looks pretty low.
No, I should have. I mean, obviously,
Nobody stop ball. Oh, layup no good. Tornado on the rebound.
go defense!
Oh, big block by the Lakers. Turnover. That's a shot. No good. That's a three if it goes. It does not. Lakers on the fast break. Nobody stop ball.
Yes, sir.
Foul on the shot. Lakers will be at the line.
Gotta make these, Brandon.
Score still 22-4. We've got a little over a minute, 38 seconds. 23-4. Minute 36 seconds
Go D.
left in the first half. Foul on the Lakers.
They got no track.
Let's get a bucket here, North.
Good D by the Lakers.
In the middle.
Lakers with the rebound.
Go Lakers!
Lakers turn it over.
8, 7.
Score's 23-4. 6 seconds left in the first
5
half.
seconds!
4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it.
And that's the end of the first half. Score is 23-4. Troy looks a little lethargic out there. Still recovering from a week-long illness. We'll see if he does better in the second half. the Lakers are getting prepared for the second half. The score is 23-4. Lakers will have the ball. The start of the second half. Score is 23-4. Tornado with the rebound. There's the steal. Lakers are pushing it. Lakers score. That's 25-4. Turn it over.
Go Lakers.
Foul on the floor. Laker ball, baseline out. And the Lakers turn it over. Tornado turning over.
Go Lakers.
It's 27-4. fast break. Lakers with the rebound.
Nice shot, Raymond.
Good shot. They scored 29-4. Good pass underneath. Shot no good. And we've got subs with a timeout on the floor. 13-28. The score is still running, or time is still running. Score is 29-4. Laker ball. Good putback. Makes the score 31-4. Call a foul.
13 Gus. Body slam. What?
They call a foul on 13.
He got body slam. How's that a foul on him?
Lakers on the fast break. Good save.
Go inside!
That's a turnover. We've got a timeout on the court. Got 11:19 left in the game. Score's 31-4. Lakers. There. by the Lakers. Pass ahead. They wave off the basket for a travel.
Man. Get nervous on those shots.
You make it sound so simple, son.
Yeah, well, if you're tall, it is.
Lakers on the rebound and the fast break. Lakers with the rebound and the shot.
Rebound.
Tornado with the rebound and the fast break. And the shot. Lakers score 31-6. Three if it goes, it does not. Need some help. We got some help there by the Lakers. 33-6.
Good job, Kashawn.
Johnny, look, call for it. Nobody's on you.
Lakers with the rebound and the fast break. Good block. That's a three if it goes, and it does.
Yes, sir.
That's 36-6.
We're beating them by 30 points.
There's another steal and a fast break. Oh, bucket no good. It's going back the other way. There's another turnover. It's a three if it goes. And it does not. Almost though.
That's great.
Gold ball. Don't know where everybody's going. Tornado had some subs. The three if it goes, it does not. Lakers on the fast break, and we've got a foul.
Show me some speed out there.
Good bucket. He scores 38-6. That's a good bucket. Scores 38-8.
Come on. Oh, Good pass. Come on, take it, take it.
Get that rebound, Cole. Get in there.
Body
Quit
up.
standing around. Get that ball.
Nice, perfect.
Tornado with the rebound.
Dice, who are you guarding? Come on.
Tie up on the rebound. And here come the subs. Possession, Tornado. I don't know where the Lakers are going. They thought it was their ball. Possession, Tornado. I don't know where they're going. The teams are confused. Subs came in and they're still thinking first half basket.
Lakers. Nice. Get that rebound. Good job, Colton. No, same team. Oh. That's right. There you go, ball. I got it. Let's go.
Good strong move. Good bucket. Scores 40-8.
Go defense.
It's a three if it goes. It does not. Lakers rebound.
Oh, come on.
You're too tired, Mars. You can tip everything out.
Okay, we got subs.
Yo, what? I don't know about that.
We got a foul on the shot. Tornado will shoot two. That's a good bucket. Scores 40-9.
Let's go, Lakers. Got it. Oh. That was a nice shot, Green.
Score still 40-9. Good rebound. Good outlet pass. And
Grab it, Green.
no good. Oh, it's blocked.
Great block.
Take a shot, Cole.
3 if it goes. It does not. 20-12.
30 seconds, ladies.
There are 26 seconds left in the game.
20 seconds.
Hey, here's Chris Paul. You can't rush him.
Bro, there's a wide open lane. Look at Lars. He's just. 6 seconds.
And that's game. Final score, Lakers 40, North Medford Tornado 12.
At least they made double digits. Like, that was terrible. You just body destroyed, killed, obliterated, and demolished them.
Josiah, be a good sport.
I'm just saying.
Well, you don't have to say.
I like to speak my mind.
Well, you want people to speak their mind when they're demolishing you?
But no one ever demolishes me.
There's always someone. Be the change you want to see in the world.